You couldn't miss me out.
We're getting the lino down in the attic space, and then once all that's down we start the other attic space on the other side, but it's looking really good. So we've got to do the final trims yet, but we're trimming the strips now. So it's coming on really well. You've done a good job, Vincent.
Thank you, Dawn, and I think I had a good helper.
Aye, myself.
Oh, Dawn.
Aye, it's looking really good. So we'll be boxing a lot of this in, and this will become storage. Okay, I'm going in the loft space above the kitchen. So this is the style of stairs we've put in. Right, Mum, I'll show you how far we've got. I've got to clean all this, yeah. So we've managed to get the lino down. We're just letting it settle. We've got the other pieces there to put along these edges. So this is the area above the kitchen. So what we're going to do, let me just get myself comfortable. Right, that's it. I'm comfortable and I can sit down. This is going to be a storage area. We've got the tin roof, and then we've got this line in here. You can see there's condensation at the moment. I want to ask my viewers, or in a conundrum, I don't know how you pronounce it. I want to ask my viewers, we've got this line in here, we've got the tin roof, then we've got this this lining of sheeting we've got here. It's supposed to stop condensation, but we do have condensation, as you can see. We want to box this in. Obviously we're going to leave those beams exposed, but box in the rest. One, to keep it vermin free, and two, to make it a drier place, because the things that I want to store up here I've got to keep dry, and it would be the same on the other side. Has anyone got any ideas what I could use? But I need to keep it so the air can get through. As you see, we've got vents down at the side. You can see one there, there's light shining through. Under, I'm not quite sure. That's the vent. Oh no, it's sitting on the wall, the other side there. Let me see if I can just turn this around to show you. 1 minute. Oh, don't know if I can do this. Oh, maybe I can. Right, let's get the camera in there. I didn't realise that we've got the vents there, so just showing you. This beam is sitting on a wall plate, but there is a gap underneath it, so the air goes round. So therefore, I think we can box this in. But has anyone got any suggestions? We were going to use that sort of stuff again to box this in, but should we put some sort of insulation on the other side, or sheeting of some sort to stop damp getting in? As you can see, it was getting damp, so I'm not quite sure what to do. If anyone's got any comments, leave us a comment so we can read it and give us some ideas of what we can do, because we don't want to cause a problem by boxing it in, but we need to do something.